Here's a 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It was built for the tough-as-nails worker who needs a tough-as-nails truck. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, mirror-mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo V8 engine. Automobile proclaims it's what's under the hood that separates the men from the boys among heavy-duty pickups. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Take it for a test drive today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.